Tesla's replacing indicators with Guesswork and updated Model S. But your Model S might have a normal steering wheel, at least. Now, after Tesla decided to ditch the PR department last year to go to place for updates on what's new with the brand, you have to go to Twitter with tidbits of information interspersed between Elon Musk rants. The Tesla CEO and avid Twitter user dropped some interesting nuggets on social media recently pertaining to the updated Tesla Model S, including a way to alter the URL to access a hidden view on Tesla Configurator. The hidden view showed the updated Model S interior with the option to swap the controversial New York steering rectangle for traditional steering wheel. But Musk also made some frightening claims about Tesla getting rid of turn signal stocks in its cars and replacing them with Guesswork instead. As you can see, the two different steering wheels. I particularly, I like the circle, the yoke. Just not used to it. That has to grow on you. But I think it would look futuristic, and just for that reason, I might side on that. Why not make the steering wheel rectangular? Now, the URL for the alternate configurator has since been removed and now shows a page not found. But it's hard to believe that Tesla won't offer a traditional steering wheel on the Model S refresh. And I'm okay with that. But I think they should have offered a rectangular one. That would have been a nice option. But I still like the yoke because it's unique. Now, in fact, we wouldn't be surprised if it was standard that the rectangular yoke won't be the production model. I think it's going to be the rectangular. There are genuine safety concerns as well as practical issues in low-speed maneuvers. There's a reason the yoke-style steering wheel device being used in road-going vehicles is the stuff of science fiction. And not only that, but I don't think the government will allow this kind of steering wheel. I think there's actually information on that, and I'll pull that up and I'll show it in the next video. But there is information. They won't allow a yoke steering wheel like that. Now, this wasn't the only tweet emanating from a Musk account, though. He also said no more stocks, car guesses, drive direction based on what obstacles it sees. Contacts, nav maps. You can override on the touchscreen. Boy, there's a lot to be said about this. But you know what? I love this Tesla Model S. And I tell you, if my money's right, I definitely will put one in my garage. I think that would be a great looking automobile. Especially with a rectangular steering wheel. I think that would make it look real nice. It's got to be rectangular. Otherwise, all the other manufacturers would have the yoke already. But the yoke, you've always seen those in the concept cars with Tesla. The yoke steering wheel. I think it's nice too. I think you could win with either, but that yoke does have a defining look on the Tesla brand. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.